Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025 Online. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 90 and this line dimension 50. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude select 30. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. This point and this point select. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 50. Now go to select direction to. Here select forward. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now here circle draw 30. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select forward. Okay. Now I am going to here edit this rectangle. Now this rectangle horizontally 100. Okay. Now go to isometric view again. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Select here. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 20 and this line dimension 5. Okay. Select. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here extrude card 75. 75. Now go to again here. Now edit this 90. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here again edit 75. Okay. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to select mirror. Now go to select front plane and select mirror. Now feature to mirror. Now here select cut. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here draw the slot. Now draw the slot here. Now select. Now go to Smart Dimension. This line dimension 30. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 30. Okay. Now go to Feature and select Extrude Card. Now here Extrude Card 10. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the straight slot. Now select here. Now again give the dimension. This line and this line distance 20. Okay. Now here distance this line and this line distance again 30. Okay. Now select. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now go to rectangle. Center point rectangle draw here. Now this line distance 10. This line distance 10. And this line and this center now go to here point select. Now this line and this point distance 19.5. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point, horizontal. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select through all. Through all. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now go to here select solid and this color select. Okay. Now go to again check here. Extrude check. 50. 50. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.